This tutorial provides a brief description of the features under the Deals menu. The Deals menu will take you to different types of records which represent internal deals or client agreements. Assignments are designed to manage all aspects of exclusive agreements with a brokerage firm's clients. Assignments can be used to track contract expiration dates and all properties, contacts, deals, and activities related to the engagement. Closed deals are generated via the Commission Tracking System or CTS module. They are deals that allow the firm to calculate, invoice, and pay commissions and other fees to internal and external vendors. Needs are designed to be used when working with buyers or tenants to buy or lease a property or space. Needs allow you to define and save specific listing and property attributes that the buyer or tenant is looking for. These criteria can be used to quickly find matching availabilities in the system. This type of deal also has additional features for managing the buyer or tenant's preferred terms for a lease or sale agreement. The Needs Deal Terms list displays fields that focus on the internal deal settings and agreement term preferences in the need records. All deals, with the exception of assignments, have the ability to store pipeline data to help users track their potential future business. Deals with pipeline data will show up in the pipeline list. All types of deals, except assignments, can be searched, viewed, or reported on via the projects list. This includes general projects, which can be used to track property management, construction management, consulting, referral, and other types of engagements. Buyer prospects track information on potential buyers for a sale listing, including multiple offers, emails, call notes, and documents, and other activities related to the sale negotiation process. Buyer prospect details can be included in progress reports for the seller of the property. Tenant prospects track information on potential tenants for a lease listing, including lease preferences, emails, call notes, and documents, and other activities related to the lease negotiation process. Tenant prospect details can be included in progress reports for the property's landlord. Recently Viewed displays the last 3 deal records you have visited. If you have any questions about any part of this tutorial series, you can contact our support team for more information.